It sounded like there was a couple different things to address there. So I'll start with the protein after 6 and sort of like nutrient timing in and around bedtime. Now, when it comes to athletes, they get a little bit of a free pass, especially swimmers that are performing a highly cardiovascular sport, in addition to weight training and any other cross training they may be doing. They're burning a ton of calories. So when it comes to nutrient timing, it's more about, and bedtime, it's more about calories in versus calories out.
Help me help you.
So if you haven't been able to fuel properly during the day and, for example, you need like 500 more calories to eat, before bedtime, then if you're eating that right before bedtime, it's fine. You need the calories. It's not going to be stored in your body as, fat necessarily or anything like that. I think the maybe no protein or only protein after 6 or don't eat after 6 is a better recommendation for somebody who's not as active, right? And that is really to kind of cut calories, is why that recommendation gets thrown out there. So people, are stopping themselves from eating at a certain point. Sort of recovery nutrition post-practice, and you're spot on. 30, I think you can really stretch the 30-minute window. It's 30 to an hour, somewhere in that time range is when you definitely want to be getting protein and carbohydrates. The reason why people say chocolate milk is a great recovery drink, and you'll then see a lot of skeptics comment on the sugar, and yes, there is added sugar in chocolate milk. I will not deny that. After workout, because of some physiological mechanisms, dealing with insulin inside of your body, your muscles become like a sponge for nutrients. So even the added sugar in chocolate milk, it's not going to cause aberrations in elevated blood glucose or things like that. Your muscles are just going to suck it right up. And then there's that word again, glycogen, store it as glycogen to help the body recover. So that 30 to 60 minute window immediately after training is very important for recovery.